The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
Thank you. May it please the court. Good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 40 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Before I rule on your motion, I want to take this opportunity to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for the excellent job they have done to assure that the candidates are all well qualified for admission. The committee's work is important and greatly appreciated by all the justices of the court. Now we turn to the motion before the court. Justice Cardozo famously said, "Justice delayed is justice denied." Well, there will be no delay of justice today because my colleagues have authorized me to grant the motion. The oath will now be administered by the clerk of the court, Susana Rojas.
Good afternoon, Justice Kern. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do," if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Congratulations, you are now officially attorneys. It is customary for one of the justices to give some welcoming words to you, the newly admitted lawyers. Today, that honor falls to Justice Kennedy.
Good afternoon, new lawyers, and welcome to the New York State Bar. I congratulate you, your family, and loved ones on this outstanding achievement. To paraphrase the prominent African-American civil rights attorney and former dean of the Howard University School of Law, the late Charles Hamilton Houston, a lawyer, was a social engineer, an agent for change. Houston believed that a social engineer was a lawyer who used their knowledge of the law to improve conditions of the underprivileged. As a lawyer, you play a vital role in preserving, promoting, and protecting the rule of law. And may I suggest that you view your actual or virtual workplaces, or even actual or virtual courtrooms, as well as your pro bono activities and surrounding communities, as your personal laboratory, where you not only consider innovative solutions to existing problems, but also anticipate future challenges and opportunities in this emerging legal landscape. And that as a social engineer, you are empowered to transform the lives of the local, state, national, and even global community through the pursuit of justice, whether you join the public or private sector. Now, while you should be proud of what you accomplished, particularly during this pandemic, I encourage you to remain humble and to be grateful. Why? Because receiving a law degree, it's a privilege. And as a person with privilege, you have an obligation to give back and to pay it forward. Whether that is lending your skills to a bar or community-based organization, your law school, or mentoring the youth and speaking with them about how to become an attorney or other legal professional. Lastly, remember to adhere to high ethical standards. You will be required to observe and to abide by the rules of conduct to fulfill your professional responsibilities, to preserve the dignity of and respect for the legal profession. Your law degree is an asset. Protect it, treasure it, nurture it. Attorneys, this is your charge. Now, go forth. And once again, congratulations.
The admission ceremony is now concluded and court is adjourned.
Thank you to all of the justices and